In this video, I will show you how to use the Amazon Prime free delivery feature. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, search for the items that you want to purchase. Go ahead and select that item. After that, you want to add this to your cart. So select the option of Add to Cart. After you have added it to your cart, you want to tap on this cart icon. Here, select the items that you want and proceed to checkout. Now, before proceeding to checkout, that you have added all the eligible items over here. Now double check your details, review your delivery options, and if the order is eligible, you will see a free delivery option over here. Select it to receive your Prime shipping benefits. After choosing the free delivery option, review your payment details and place your order. If you do not see the free Prime delivery option, the item may not be Prime eligible, your Prime membership may not be active, or your delivery address may not qualify for Prime shipping. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.